right, guys, this is the Brodrick floor plan here at True Homes. I think Montress, and stretch it out. Grab all four corners and stretch it out a little bit larger. You have the second bedroom, full bathroom right when you walk in. In the foyer, we're going to have the laundry room on the left with the two-car garage right beside it, the entryway. You've got the Renault tankless gas heater here. Guys, this specific model is here at Edgewater, our premier master plan community with extremely low HOA fees and a golf course, lake, restaurant, pickleball, tennis, gathering green, beer garden, miles of walking trails. And the HOA fees in this neighborhood are less than $80 a month. So you see the living room, and then the screened-in porch. You're going to have the primary suite with most people's favorite, the sitting room right here. Going to have the primary bathroom, the dual vanity, the closet, beautiful shower, tiled all the way to the ceiling. This specific home is a completed showcase out here in Edgewater, and it is currently for sale for $505,000. This specific version is 3,126 square feet, and it's 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. I'm going to show you the layout they chose on this specific floor plan. You've got the second living area, super spacious. You've got the closet, and then the third bedroom with a full bath as well. And the third bedroom upstairs with its own closet. And then you also have the second, its own entrance into the bathroom from the bedroom. Guys, like I said, this is the Brodrick. It's a lot similar to the Montcrest. We can dig into the floor plans a little deeper and show you the exact differences, but it's a very popular, extremely nice ranch floor plan. You can kind of see how this specific floor plan added in some extras like the gas fireplace, nice addition, the woodwork on the walls in the formal dining room, and trade ceilings in certain parts of the home. So guys, I'm Blake Lomberger. I sell for True Homes exclusively, currently based out of Edgewater, but I can sell in other True Homes neighborhoods as well. Give me a call, 843-810-0788. Thanks.